Oh! 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 Hang in here, and yeah. That relaxing. Oh!
Oh, wow.
As much as you can. Oh!
Oh!
Whoa! So you've had a baby 3 months ago.
Yeah.
Was it hurting you during the pregnancy?
Yes.
It was hurting you during the pregnancy?
Yes.
Okay. In the same area?
Yes.
Is it on one side more than the other? Or is it just on the left side?
It is more on this, but I do feel it on my right side too.
You feel it both?
Yeah.
But you do feel like a tingling going down? Does it go down the back of your leg?
Yes.
It does?
Yes.
All the way down to your feet?
It has before when I was pregnant, but now it seems to be just kind of, I don't know, I guess it's more just like right in here.
Okay.
I've started running, and so those nights where I do run, it's hard to go to bed. Like, it's uncomfortable to sleep.
Okay. Anything to make you feel better? Do you do anything to make you feel better? Do you lay on your back and put ice or heat? Or?
I haven't done any of that. I've done the stretches.
Yes.
That stretch, and then I'll put one leg up, like on the door frame, and stretch. But I need to be more consistent, I'm sure.
Does that give you a little bit of relief?
It temporarily.
And what about any medicine? Do you take ibuprofen or Tylenol?
I try not to, but I've had to take it sometimes just to be able to fall asleep.
Prior to this pregnancy, were you having these problems?
I was when I played soccer in college.
Okay, so this has been going on for a long time?
Yes. Okay. But the pregnancy, especially this last one, made it a lot worse. I think 35 pounds this time.
Yeah, so you're a tiny lady and woman, and it pulls it out, and then if you already have a curve that's already accentuated, and then you get pregnant, it's pushing it forward this way even more so. So it's just irritating that lower back.
Yeah.
I think I found the cause of your problem.
Okay.
I don't know how long it's going to take before you feel better, because that's like $1 million question. But what I usually do is evaluate you, get you adjusted, and then have you come back in a week and tell me what happened. Okay. Your leg lengths are really off. Oh! How does it feel?
I feel great. I was having tiny headache here before, I think. Yeah, much better.
I'm gonna come this way. Very good. Let the shoulder drop. Let everything just drop. You're doing so good here. There you go, good.
Oh! Whew. Yeah, that's good. Just crackle.
Good. Now turn your head a little bit more this way. Good.
Oh! Oh my God, yeah. Oh my God.
How'd that feel?
Yeah.
Amazing?
Yes, oh my God.
Is it sore down in here?
Yeah.
This is the area in the x-ray we were looking at.
Yeah.
Tender and sore at all?
Yeah.
Both sides or more on the left?
Both.
Both sides. All the way down?
Yeah.
Tender and sore at all?
Yeah.
Both sides or more on the left?
Both.
Both sides. All the way down?
Yeah.
And you're telling me that most of what you're feeling on your leg and your back is on the left side, and this is on the left side, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's much more on this side, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Your ear just kind of dropped down. You're doing so good. Looks like you've done this before. Hang in here, and yeah, I knew that was going to be a little bit of fireworks, right? How'd that feel?
Good. 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Yeah. I mean, when I'm just supposed to recognize when it hurts the most.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Turn this way. Very good. Just let that relax. Woo! You got some good cracks. Excellent. You had the area in the back of your head that was the most sore was number 5. And number 5 correlates to your musculoskeletal system. Your x-rays show me that L5 is an area to adjust, and that tells me to adjust L5. When I get done, I'm going to go back and feel that area. And I don't know if it's going to completely go away, but it should feel less tender. A lot of people say it doesn't feel like you're pressing as hard.
Okay.
I'll press even harder than I did just to prove to you that I'm pressing hard.
Okay.
But it should go away because it's going to reboot your system. Almost like a computer that's bogged down. We're going to reboot it by doing this adjustment.
Okay.
Flex as much as you can. There you go. I feel you letting it go. That's so good. So good.
Oh.
You feel that one?
Yeah. Oh my God. From the top down, feel good. It feels so good.
Drop this down. Good. Good. Let the shoulder drop. Turn your head.
Oh, wow. Oh my God. That was a big pop.
Does it make you laugh?
Yeah. It's making me
You sweat?
Good cracking.
That was a good one. Up a little bit. Good, good, good. 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 That wasn't so bad, was it? Long on the right side, short on the left side.
Really?
I want you to just let this leg kind of just drop down as much as you can. Oh! Good. Good.
Ooh. Ah. Oh my goodness. I feel good. You know, you excel, you just like new and just like recharging, or you know, you go to the car shop and they fix the car and it drives smooth again.
That's a good.
You know, when you get there, the car is cranky, kind of then as soon as it's service, it just accelerates. Ooh.
Couple things. Relax.
Okay.
Breathe through your nose. Keep your mouth closed. Don't clench, just keep your mouth closed, okay? Just let everything kind of go, all right?
Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's everything.
What do you mean everything?
Like my whole back.
The whole spine.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Amazing, right?
Yeah, I've never felt that before. I think I can move now. Oh my gosh.
So just relax as much as you can. Take a couple of really nice deep breaths. Good, 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 good. All right, I'm just gonna come right here. Good, just let it go. Good, and wow.
Like my in between my like back here.
In between the shoulder blades?
Yeah, but maybe a little bit lower.
Lower.
Yeah. I can't point to it right there.
Sort of drop as much as you can, okay? We're just gonna stretch to start. That's better, see? See, it's starting to loosen up now. You feel it?
Yeah.
Okay, now we can get in there. Okay, hang in there, okay?
Ooh. Ooh. You didn't even stop. It was cracking.
Before I did anything, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel good. Immediately you release, there's a sign of, feeling good, everything like, go back to normal with no pain anymore. It's like a sharp contrast, kind of, and then you feel good again. Just kind of release the pain instantly. Yes. When you do that, the cracks, it just release you. The pain there just like, boom. It's good. It's as if you've gone to massage. And then when you go home, you just sleep like a baby. The outcome of this is giving you that one more beautiful night's sleep with no pain. All the joints are straightening. It's no longer stiff and hard.
You got it? Okay, taking a breath. Let it all the way out.
Wow. Wow.
All the way down here. This one may be a little more tender, okay? Hang in there. Let your head go back. Let all your air out. Good. Good. That's exactly the one I wanted. That was good. You can just breathe. Tension is being relieved. I'm going to adjust this L5 area down here. That's really tender and sore for you. Mm-hmm. A little like this, all right? I'm going to bring this knee down, okay? And we're going to get right down here, okay? Taking a nice deep breath for me and let it all the way out. Yes. Oh. So we got our hips lined up.
So it's quite painful.
So this helps the muscles just relax, right?
Yes. Hey, what's the more?
But then you'll fall asleep and drool all over my table.
Yeah, all the pain gone.
Stretching. Feel the stretch? Feel that good stretch? Let me get right here, okay?
Oh. Wow.
It's so itchy, Mommy.
Wow.
Hang in there.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, Hannah. What happened?
Amazing.
What happened, Hannah?
No.
I get my body back. Mommy's fixed. Mommy's fixed.
Go see.
Like, I feel brand new. I just feel I want to sleep because, when you get a good body workup and it's easy, pains are gone. Chiropractor is very good.
Hey, that's what we're talking about. ATL cracks with Dr.O. Get addicted to that crack. That's what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
That's good. So when you first came in, you were way, way off. And now they're balanced. Okay, so this is 5 right now. When we first came in, how does that feel now?
Feels much better.
That just means we did something. We reset a lot of stuff.
Is it like with your hips, is it where it just takes time for them to stay put, or how do you?
Good question. So if they've been out of alignment for a long time, and I try to put them back in alignment, sometimes they go right back out of alignment. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get them to stay. Part of my plan is to get them to stay and then doing exercises and stretches and things that will complement all that. I shouldn't even say low back pain. What I mean is a low back issue. You might always have a low back issue, but you might never have to feel the pain if we manage it properly. That's my goal. How's it feel bending back now?
Yeah, it feels better. Yes.
Let's go through the ranges. I know this didn't bother you, but I just want to see if you feel any more kind of like just looser.
Yes.
Good. Come on back up. And again, go back because I like you going back because you're doing so much better going back.
Yeah.
Right? And then to the sides. And to the sides. I just want you to feel the difference.
Right.
Give yourself a big hug. Kind of turn and twist. Not as stiff, right?
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you for doing
Appreciate
that.
it.
ATL cracks with Dr.O. Get addicted to that crack.